How to delete Snapchat group. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Snapchat application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on your friends section or the chat section, and here you can see the option of groups. So just tap on group and select on any of the group that you'd want to delete. Now here what you can simply do is tap on the Bitmoji icon and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now here when you click on the three dotted lines, you can see there's no option of deleting the group over here. So this shows that you cannot delete the group directly. Rather, you can just tap on leave group option, and as you do that, it says that leaving this group will also remove you from its story, and snaps and chats you have sent will be cleared, and any charms you have hidden will be restored. So just tap on leave. Now as you do that, now just go back and then make a long press on Snapchat, then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, you can just tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner, and then you can clear the cache, and if it's possible you can delete all data as well, and this might help you fix the issue and delete the Snapchat group. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.